In this video, I'll show you how to disable your voicemail in iOS 18. So it's actually nice and straightforward. You just need to head over to the settings application and scroll all the way down to the bottom and select apps. From here, scroll down again until you see the phone app. Click on the phone app. Scroll down to the calls section, and the first thing you need to disable is call forwarding, so make sure this option is turned off like so. Then head back over to the phone settings, scroll down to live voicemail and select this. Make sure live voicemail is also turned off. Once you've disabled these two things, there's just one more thing that we need to do, and that's to head over to the dial pad on your phone. And from here, you need to type in the following numbers, #004, and then press this call icon at the bottom. And as you can see, you'll get this confirmation message pop up just to confirm that all of your voicemails are now disabled. And that's it, guys. That's how to disable your voicemail in iOS 18. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.